Hey, Deshna here, and I'm gonna sing Resentment by Jasmine Sullivan. I wish I could believe you, then I'd be alright. But now everything you told me really don't apply to the way I feel inside. Loving you was easy once upon a time, but now my suspicions of you have multiplied, and it's all because you lied, and I may never understand why. I'm doing the best that I can, but I just can't seem to get over the way you hurt me. Don't know why you gave another who didn't mean a thing, the very thing you gave to me. I thought I could forgive you, and I know you changed. As much as I wanna trust you, I know it ain't the same as before this woman came. I loved you more than ever, more than my own life. The best part of me I gave you, and it was sacrifice. When you broke your word that night, and I only give you a hard time, 'cause I can't go on and pretend like I don't remember feeling like I was no good, like I couldn't do for you just like she could. I know she was attractive, but I was here first. Been riding with you for years. Why did I deserve to be treated this way by you? I know you're probably thinking, what's up with Daishanette? Sounds like a 50s record, but that's alright with me. Whoa, whoa, that's alright with me.